I am on the roof of the Mondrian in Shoreditch. So me and Kels have a hotel stay. You'll probably remember Kelsey from, she's definitely been on one of my vlogs before, but whether the vlog made it to the air is another story. So anyway, we're at a hotel stay at the Mondrian in Shoreditch. I'm kind of doing a UK Staycation Series, so you're gonna get to see loads of hotels, but this one's super gorgeous. It's very, very different from the Shard. It's very much, the design's like super modern, kind of gives me New Yorky LA vibes, but let me show you around. Okay, so when you walk in, we have this nice little seating area, which is really, I don't know what to say the style is in here. And then you go out and you have like this view of Shoreditch. I'm not gonna lie, it's not the most appetizing view. You have like this derelict building across the road. The room also has like kind of like a pantry vibe. So you get some gorge glasses, coffee machine, waters. You also get a sink, which is a nice touch. We've got a kettle and like coffee cups and mugs here. And then down here we have this little fridge with like all the minis and stuff like that. But this, I'm pretty sure we have to pay for this if we want to drink it. Ooh, and then in this drawer we have snackaroons. There's no like price anywhere, but I'm sure we need to pay. Okay, and then we can come through and we have the bedroom. There's Kels in the corner. Whoa, you can't even see her. Kels? Taking photos of the bedroom here. So we have this double bedroom. I think my biggest obsession is definitely gonna be that bathtub over there because that looks gorgeous. Cannot wait to get some piccaroonies. Hey Hans. I'm wearing my New Balance tracksuit, which I'm obsessed with. It's pretty dark. Let's show the bath. Let me show you the rest of the bathroom. So we have this double sink with like our towels and stuff. And then we've got obviously a mirror and like a little other mirror thingy here. And then we have this huge rainfall shower here next to the loo. You can even sit in here. There's like a bench. So we've got a little bench, another mirror just in case you need to see yourself again, and then a rainfall shower. I love some branded toiletries. It's just the best. So we just had a knock on the door and we've got our complimentary alcoholics and chockies. So they gave us a little card that says, "Dear Kelsey and Ashley, welcome to the Mondrian." Not sure what this is. Oh, I don't want to ruin this. Ah, okay, forget it. It's just nice. It's pretty. So I have my turban on. We're doing a little shootaroo. So I'm gonna put you here so you can see me. Pose on. Shooting in the bathtub. Do not watch the water because the soap was just not soaping. I did just break a glass because I am an absolute fool in life, but that is what it is. Let me show you the cute pics we just took. Okay, so the sun has set and Kels and I have decided we're gonna go to the gym because we're healthy babes in 2022. And I've got on this cute gym shark. This is the top and it's shorts. And then I've got this like over top because it's kind of chilly. So yeah, I'm sticking to a diet, guys. Okay, so we are back. Oh, we are back in the room, and we just ordered some delivery because we decided that we can't be asked to go out, and it's cold. So I've ordered a very healthy steak and broccoli. I'm so proud of me because I'm definitely staying on task with the goals around here. 65k G, here I bloody come. So we're gonna order that dinner, and then we're gonna relax in the room. I don't even know if you can watch TV in here, so we might have to like maybe Netflix and chill in bed. Kels is working as per, because she's a worker bee. And I'll show you my din soon. Okay, so here's me being a healthy girl. We have broccoli, potatoes, and some steak and spinach. This smells so good. It's from a place called Farmer J on Deliveroo. So let's hope for the best. So taste test on the steak. Oh, it is good. This is like real good. I actually think it could be more though. Like I could do more steak. This is like divine. Look at me being a healthy babes. You understand when I have the beach bod. I have the abs. I'm about to go to bed, bonnet and all, and on the bedside table, we realized they gave us some CPD drops, so I'm about to try this bad boy. Kelsey's very excited as well. She's like, give me some of that. So, tastes gross. All right, well, let's see how this goes, guys.
I was living in the clouds, yeah, like 10 million explosions.
Good morning, guys. So it's about 10 to 7 now. I am gonna head down to the gym to meet Kelsey. She got off a bit earlier than me and headed down. I had to get easy this morning. I'm gonna head down now. I'm gonna do a workout. I'm doing back today. And then we're going to spend the rest of the day like kind of just chilling in the hotel. So we have breakfast up on the rooftop, and then we have like an early lunch downstairs in the main restaurant, so that should be really nice. So I'm gonna head down there now and get the day started. So it is currently 8:30. I had a very efficient morning. I've been to the gym, I've showered and everything, and now we're about to have breakfast in the breakfast area of the hotel. So it's actually a bar and a restaurant in the day, and it's called, I don't know what it's called, and I'll answer it somewhere. But yeah, we're gonna have a lovely brekkie, and then I'm not sure what we're gonna do for the day. I think it's gonna be quite a chilled one, but we do have a lunch reservation at 1, so it's part of the vlog. It's gonna be very foodie. Okay, taste test on the sausage, because sausage is like, it's important, the taste of the sausage. Oh, that's good. And then beans. I'm a true Brit, so I love beans. Oh, no, not good. Needs butter. Okay, the bacon is like American-y, which is not really my preference, but we're gonna go. Might as well be crisps. It tastes good though. Okay, but the egg whites. Formaggio.
When the light fades into darkness and your fears all turn to regrets, how do you stand up without falling? How do you see it as a blessing?
Okay, I am very excited because this meal's looking awesome. I've never actually been excited to eat sandwiches because I'm not really a sandwich kind of gal, but today, so let me show you what we got. So we've got some salted, you're gonna have to excuse the nails guys, but we've got some salted beef here. This one is called the rainbow, it's just vegetables, but it's very pretty. We got some gozas, some fries, some popcorn chicken, and the best of them all, the southern fried chicken. I don't even know what this is, but some sort of nectar. I'll find out and I'll add it to the description, but it looks pretty. Okay, we're gonna start with the popcorn chicken. Kelsey says it's very good. She was very, very happy. It's got some ready sauce on it. Oh, that's good. Just sauce. Okay, I'm gonna go for it. I'm gonna have the salted beef. That's The backing is tangy and the meat is tender. Formaggio, delicious. Okay, so I'm absolutely full, wiped out. My verdict on the food here, I'm gonna give it a solid 8.5 out of 10. I think it was very tasty. I would absolutely come back and have a sandwich, and I'm not even a sandwich kind of gal. Cocktails were refreshing. I definitely say it's like comfort-y food because I'm ready to lie the fuck down. I would ask Kelsey her opinion, but she's currently eating a sandwich. Kelsey, this is the first time you're actually talking in the vlog. What is your opinion? Yeah, you're like, let me get pretty.
I'm not showing so I've got like a whole cabbage in my teeth.
No, you don't.
Yeah, it's just like it's the variety. It's like the presentation is immaculate. It's full of surprises. It's beautiful. It's quite moving actually. All the sandwiches, yeah.
Okay guys, so I am back home now on my sofa, as you can see, relaxing. I had an absolutely lovely time at the Mondrian. It was a beautiful hotel, very gorgeous in its design, food. Actually. Breakfast was okay. I wouldn't say it was anything to like scream about. It was a really nice breakfast. It was beyond hotel breakfasts. Like, it wasn't like a continental buffet, you know, like that kind of vibe. It was definitely a really nice breakfast, but compared to the lunch that we had downstairs in Christie's, it was okay. It was just like an average breakfast. But then that being said, I went for a really healthy option. I didn't have like all the trimmings that you'd normally have with things, so that could definitely change things. And I didn't go for like pancakes or anything. But the lunch, on the other hand, damn, chef's kisses. It was so good. And I don't sandwiches, bro, and I'm out here like, yeah, give me the sandwich. Like, it was so good. The salted beef was chef's kiss. I would definitely recommend. And I would go back to the hotel for drinks, and I would go back for the roof, and I would go back for the room. I'd actually go back on the whole for everything. Like, there's nothing I can say would deter me from going back. The gym was really nice. It's all a part of like a members club, so damn, I don't have the cove, don't worry. Like, it's also part of a members club, so the building is just like very gorgeous. And because we went in January, it's not a particularly busy time for them, so we got a lot to do, a lot of stuff just like on our own. Like, it wasn't that busy. I can imagine in the summer it's probably very, very busy, like during touristy times. But anywho, I have bored you guys for long enough. I'm gonna give this hotel I think an 8.5 out of 10. The only reason I would say an 8.5 out of 10 is because I think that it was cold. And I do not like to be cold. We did turn the aircon up and like to warm, and it was quite nice when it was warm, but on the whole I was pretty cold. But then again, that is me as an individual. I'm always cold because my house is like Barbados. I always have my heating on. So on the whole, 8.5 to 9, I'd say, rating for the overall experience. Absolutely loved it. I hope you're liking these like hotel shut up, Jesus. I hope you're liking these like hotel reviews, and I hope to do more of them in the future. Please like and subscribe because it really, really helps me within the algorithm, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Ciao.